In this short video, I'll show you how to set a due date reminder in Excel so you can alert teams about expiring contracts or payments. Firstly, go ahead and select the cell where you want to enter the formula. And the formula will be equals B2 minus or dash and today open and close parenthesis. Press enter. There you go. Now, in my case, I want it to be a number, but in here it's a date. So if this is your case, at the top, this is this date. Change it to generals, and there you go. Just drag that across to the other cells, and here we are. Now, what we can do as well is to highlight the ones that are already like reaching the days left, if you will. So go ahead and highlight all of the data like this. Go to conditional formatting, new rule, and choose the bottom one, which is use a formula to determine which cells to format. Let's go ahead and input a formula, which is dash and in parenthesis C2. In my case, because it's the days left, C2, which is the number of the cell. This symbol right here, a dash and 7, comma, space, C2 again, this symbol right here, equals and 0. Just put a close parenthesis. But before you click enter or OK, go and choose format, and let's choose a fill. Let's say yellow. Press OK, and there we go. Now you know how to set a due date reminder in Excel for medical stores. You can watch this playlist if you ever get stuck with this problem.